Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Killerrain Gold, and I'm back here today. I was really digging this blonde hair. It's really sexy on me. And I'm so happy that I'd be able to slide through and make it today. Yay. I really liked the way that I did my nails. Sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. Well, oh yeah, I forgot to do a little bit of pink highlighter. Pink highlighter, I'm just gonna add a little bit if I can. Okay, today is mystery boxes, so I'm super excited. Super excited today. Today is mystery boxes, so be excited. Ooh, I'm just gonna put some gloss on real quick for the video before I open up the boxes. And I got my Dawn of the Dead poster for the video, because I got the Dawn of the Dead shirt video. So if you guys appreciate it, there's a story behind that hole in the poster. The one day I had my game room up here, and there's a candle lit, and it fell over and started catching on fire. It's good I was home. If not, it would've caught my... Maybe. Halloween video, yay. Sexy. I went with this look because it was sexy. And I was like, ooh, I gotta say this look. And I got my light pumpkins on today. Oh, that tastes so good. Okay, I'm gonna grab my boxes real quick. 1 second. Oh, pretty big. I'm gonna start off with the black one. I'm pretty sure that's the smaller one, but I'll figure out pretty quick. 1 second. Okay. Should have had some hair clips for my hair, but I did not. Okay, we'll be getting into the box. I'll just show you what the top kind of looks like before we dig into it. Ooh, sexy queen here, yeah. You wanna touch this? Wanna? And this is what it looks like. I was really just by out to start off. You get a Jeffree Star shirt, like Halloween edition. I think each box you get a special edition shirt or hoodie or pants or something. So this was the shirt. Has like the purple star right here, then purple background. Has the key as its butthole. I like Jeffree for that. The key is its butt. My key is my butt. Okay. Moving on to next item. This is like one of the most exciting things I was excited about. It's like a special edition Jeffree Star Halloween bat bag. I was like, ooh, nice. Nice. It's pretty spacious too. Looks like it could fit some stuff. The next item, Weirdo Palette. I already had one. And I have one open right here on my desk. I will show you or do a video on it pretty soon. Ooh. I think that was only sold in this box, so that's cool. This was Red Blood palette. I wasn't sure why I was wrapped in red, but still sexy. I was like, sweet, someone will love this. And I don't think that I ever had one like this. Moving on to the next item. I got a nude lip thing. I was like, oh sweet. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what the inside looks like, nice shining gold. Okay. Another item in here, Witch's Brew. It's a lip scrub. I was like, damn, that's sexy. It's like a greenish color on the scale, I seen a video on it on the YouTube thing. I got a lip trap, sexy. Moving on to the next item. This is a lip supreme. It is like called wifey. It's like a browner. Sexy. I got 2 more items for this box, and that'll be it for that box. I got Heaven's Gate. Well, no, I lied. This is 6 feet under. I thought it was like one of the sexiest thing ever. Next to Heaven Gates. This is Unicorn Blood. And this was a good red blood. I'm just like a little nervous just because I got a little shaky because my eyelashes were messing up. But I'm very happy to be here. Sexy. Jeffree Stars is coming out with a Jeffree Star pet. And there'll be Black Fridays coming up soon. I was going to go to my family's for Thanksgiving, but I didn't feel good, so I laid down. Woke up late, but try to be as happy as possible. I'll be moving on to the 2 at the end. I took it out because I wanted to try it out, see how it went. Okay. Moving on to the next box. Sexy. First item on top was the cremated. I was like, damn, somebody's gonna love this. This was always a good for shinies and silvers and blacks. Okay. Here's a few lip things. There was a lip androgyny. I think I have a few of them, but sexy. And this is a concealer, yellow pale. I don't think I'll use that, but ooh. I'm just so sexy. Hey. Hey. This is what one thing I wanted over the week. This is a green lip pen. I was like, ooh. Okay, moving on to the next 2 items. This is a gloss. It's shiny, it's a mouthful. Came from the Orgy series. Sexy as fuck, I would recommend it. And this is androgyny. It's a very good one. I got the lip thing for it, so perfect combination. This is Shane Dawson Mini with the green. I really love the green look to that. Little card in the box. Rose powder. I needed this anyways. Item is the lips with the pink in it. I'm probably gonna keep this because I was like, damn, bitch. Shiny, shiny. Same color as my vagina. Pink. Okay. And this was Jeffree Star Special Mirror. I will show it off in a video. I just didn't get to open it. It is very sexy for a mirror. And it got 2 singles. Green and gold. I was like, ooh. Okay. Got another lip red. I can't wait to use that. That is from the Lip Trap series. And this is another Witch's Brew. I'm not trying to race through this. It's just my eyelash is really acting up. So it makes me like, gives me anxiety. I'm really sorry for like rushing through and not pasting this. This is good. But at least you see what every item that you do get through the box. And this is the box to the new palette. Okay, you guys seen everything that I needed. And I will stay sexy. You already know that. Huh? Huh? You already know, girl. This is a little bit of what I got. There's just like items little placed around everywhere. Got a little pink. There's a little stuff down there. And I will show you what that hoodie looks like too. Yeah, it came with the big box, so I'm pretty sure you can't buy it, so it only comes with if you buy the mystery box. Has like the spider with the key for his butt, and on the front it has like the gold like orange star. Well boys, this is how your beautiful queen is looking. Very, very latherous, sexy always. I know that you guys would love to appreciate me more if you could. Well, much love. Hopefully I get to make my Next video very, very soon. Much love. Peace out.